హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ టు టెక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. సో లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ వచ్చేసి మనం పర్ఫెక్ట్ గ్యాసెస్, లాస్ ఆఫ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గ్యాసెస్ గురించి చెప్పుకున్నాం. సో ఎవరైతే ఆ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ వింటారో సో వాళ్ళకి ఈ క్లాస్ ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ వీ కెన్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ ద ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఐడియల్ గ్యాస్ ఈక్వేషన్ రావాలి అంటే మనం ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్లో విన్న బాయిల్స్ లా గురించి అండ్ అవగాడ్రోస్ లా గురించి, చార్లెస్ లా గురించి తెలిసి ఉండాలి. సో వీ నో ద బాయిల్స్ లా ఈస్ డిఫైన్ the volume of perfect gas is inversely proportional to the pressure. The volume of perfect gas is inversely proportional to the pressure when the temperature and the mole of substance is constant. So that means T and N is the constant. So and next same thing Avogadro's law is the volume is directly proportional to the number of substance or mole of substance. So that is here the P and N are the constants. And same thing third one is Charles law. So in the Charles law, so the V is, that means the volume of perfect gas is directly proportional to the temperature. So same thing here also, P and N are the constant. So here the T in the Boyle's law, the temperature and mole of the substance is constant. And the Avogadro's law, the pressure and temperature is constant. And same thing Charles law, pressure and mole of the substance is constant. So the volume is indirectly, that means inversely proportional to the pressure and directly proportional to the temperature and N. So the volume is directly proportional to the temperature and substance and inversely proportional to the pressure. So V is equal to, we can write nRT by P. So here the R is universally gas constant. So R is constant. So V is equal to nRT by P. So then PV is equal to nRT, and the R means this equation is also called as ideal gas equation. So the pressure, the volume in temperatures are variable. So then the PV by NT is equal to R, that is constant. Then we can write the P1 V1 by N1 T1 is equal to P2 V2 by N2 V2. So listen ma, one thing, Boyle's law ఏం చెప్తుంది, the volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. వాల్యూమ్ అనేది ప్రెషర్కి ఇన్వర్స్లీగా ప్రపోర్షనల్గా ఉంటుంది. బట్ ద టెంపరేచర్ అండ్ N is the constant. And same thing in the Avogadro's law, the volume is directly proportional to the mole of substance. So here the pressure and temperatures are constant. In the third law, the volume is directly proportional to the temperature, and here the pressure and N is the constant. ఇవి ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ లాస్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసాం. సో ఇక్కడ కామన్గా వాల్యూమ్ అనేది టెంపరేచర్కి డైరెక్ట్లీగా ప్రపోర్షనల్గా ఉంది, అండ్ ఎన్కి డైరెక్ట్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్గా ఉంది, అండ్ ఇన్వర్స్లీ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు ద పీ. సో V is equal to, ఈ ప్రపోర్షనాలిటీ తీసేస్తే దెన్ వీ విల్ గెట్ ద గ్యాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్, దట్ ఈస్ యూనివర్సల్లీ గ్యాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్ R, nRT by P. Then PV is equal to nRT. So this equation is called as a ideal gas equation. So if the pressure and volume, temperature and substance ఇవన్నీ వేరియబుల్గా అవుతాయి, దెన్ the PVNT is equal to R. R is the constant. Then we can write P1 V1 by N1 T1 equal to P2 V2 by N2 T2. So this is the ideal gas equation. I hope you can understood. So next thing is the relation between the Cp and Cv. The relation between the Cp and Cv. So we know the equation of enthalpy, H is equal to U plus. So we know the enthalpy formula, that is H is equal to U plus PV. Then H is equal to U plus, and we know the PV is equal to MRT. So here I am taking MRT, but here we will get the nRT. So I will explain the difference between the PV is equal to nRT and PV is equal to MRT. So first we can listen this. So H is equal to U plus PV. So H is equal to U plus MRT. So PV means MRT. So DH, differential on both sides, then DH is equal to du plus mr into dt. Consider as a equation 1. So now changing enthalpy, dH is equal to mcp into dt. So here the constant pressure process, the specific heat at constant pressure. So now the changing internal energy du is equal to mcv into dt. So for this you can listen, so you can see the Joule's law. So then du is equal to, the changing internal energy is equal to mcv into dt. So here the specific heat at constant volume, here the specific heat at constant pressure, and here the specific heat at constant value. So now substitute the dH and du values in equation 1. So then dH is equal to du plus mr into dt. So dH we know that is mcp into dt, and du we know mcv into dt plus mr into dt. So here m and dt I am taking as a common, and cp here also m and dt as a common, and cv plus r. So mdt and mdt has cancelled, then we will get the cp is equal to cv plus r. cp minus cv is equal to r. So there is a relation between the cp and cv. So now now we should know about the difference between the pv and nrt. So మనకు difference తెలియాలి కాబట్టి pv and nrt కి సీమా. So the pv is equal to nrt means, so whenever we will take the pv is equal to nrt, then n is equal to number of moles. So here we can consider as a number of moles, and ru, so here r we can take as a universally gas constant, that value is 8.3014 kilojoule per mole Kelvin. And same thing, so whenever we can take the cap small m value, so here the small n is equal to small m by capital M. So that is pv is equal to mrt. So whenever we can consider the pv is equal to nrt, the r is the universally gas constant, and here r is the only gas constant. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి యూనివర్సల్లీ గ్యాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి ఓన్లీ గ్యాస్ కాన్స్టెంట్. సో ద పీవీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎన్ఆర్టీ. సో దెన్ పీవీ n we know that is small m by capital M into r by t. So pv r by m means, so r value is 8.3014 and small m value is 2.94. Then we will get the r is equal to 0.287 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. So I hope you can understood this class. So this is the ideal gas equation and relation between the cp and cv. For more videos, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.